7 Sigma Offgrid.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Happy New Year! Tomorrow, so happy New Year's Eve. It will be 2026 tomorrow. Hopefully you guys are at home watching all types of movies and old TV shows and relaxing and having a good old time. I know. Can we bring it down just a notch, okay? Thank you. Relax. Okay, so we wanted to come... No.
Talk that sass, dog.
No, don't hype him up because he's going to go again.
Talk that sass.
We wanted to come on here and talk about some things that we are trying to do and plan for the new year. We wanted to ask you guys, would you be interested in seeing us go live? So we want to interact with everyone live, answer questions while we're live. I know, I meant to say it. We're going to go live. So tell us if you guys are interested in going live with us. We're going to try to do that at least quarterly so that maybe
If you want to see.
tell us in the comments if you're interested in seeing us go live. If not, cool, we're not gonna do it.
That's stuff I gotta deal with.
Yeah, if not, cool beans. If so, we'll make it happen. Call and ask questions and hang out with us and, you know,
Talk some junk.
talk that sass.
Talk that sass. Talk that smack.
Also, one of the things that we were talking about is having some giveaways throughout the year possibly as well. We're working on just a couple of things for 2026 so that we can be more interactive with you all.
We get a bunch of emails to sponsor a bunch of products. We just got a bunch of stuff that we don't really want. Some of the stuff that we need, you know, we'll do it. But stuff that we really don't want, we just give it away to you guys.
Yeah, so there are a lot of you guys who are homesteaders, like professional homesteaders,
Not professional.
professional homesteaders, and some who are beginning. And there are a lot of things that we don't necessarily need based off on how we are operating, where we are in life, and all of that stuff. However, we may get those and we may give them out to those who need it. So we'll have some giveaways throughout 2026. But I'm going to say, listen to my version, not his version of what I just said. So
My version is real.
your version is real.
And when we have a live, y'all can tell us if you want something. Then we'll just get your address and mail it to you.
We might have some contests and giveaways type things as well.
I ain't giving y'all nothing. Just joking.
Anyway, also we are in the process of fixing something that
That is true.
we made a boo-boo on, and it
Who made a
was,
boo-boo?
we had a Hodor moment.
Hold on.
And so we're in the process of fixing some things, and you guys will get to see what our boo-boo was.
It was really dumb.
It was really dumb. As happens.
Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Yeah. We won a stupid prize. Why you get out the camera shot? They want to see you too. Look at him moping.
I'm tired.
Yeah, you tired because you made a boo-boo, so he got to fix his boo-boo.
You'll see who did it.
It's because he told me to do it.
I ain't tell you to
I
do it.
only follow my leader.
Again.
My
Tell
leader.
me when in the world a black woman's gonna listen to a black man?
Do not say that.
Where they do that at?
Anyway, it is not my fault. Get back here.
Happy New Year, people.
Okay, so he's going to say goodbye. I'm going to put him in the shot anyway. He's going to say bye. I'm going to say bye. We will see you on Saturday. Happy New Year and talk to you later. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye.
7 Sigma Offgrid.